Can all-in-one toilets with proprietary gaskets be installed with standard hardware? All-in-one toilets that use proprietary gaskets often require installation methods that differ from conventional two-piece toilets. So start by comparing the flange spacing, bolt pattern, and seat mounting points to the new fixture before buying any parts. Remove the old gasket and measure its inner and outer diameters, thickness, and the profile shape, because proprietary gaskets sometimes have stepped or tapered profiles that seal by compression in a recess rather than on a flat flange. If the manufacturer supplies an installation kit, use it, since their gasket material and profile are designed to mate with the toilet bowl and waste outlet. If you cannot obtain the kit, identify a replacement that exactly matches geometry and material resistance to sewer gases and household cleaning chemicals. When adapting standard hardware, confirm that the toilet to floor anchor points line up and that the wax or elastomeric gasket you plan to use allows the same compression without stressing the toilet base, which could crack molded sections. Use a torque-limited driver or a torque wrench set to conservative values when tightening bolts, because one-piece and molded all-in-one designs concentrate stress differently than two-piece ceramics. Finally, test for leaks by filling the bowl, applying a few test flushes, and checking below the toilet for slow seepage over a 48-hour period while avoiding chemical additives that can mask small leaks. 3 common issues are incorrect gasket selection causing leaks, over-tightening fasteners, which can crack molded bases, and mismatch of bolt patterns that prevents a stable seal. For gasket selection, measure carefully and choose an elastomeric or wax alternative only if it duplicates the original profile and compressibility. Otherwise, obtain the manufacturer kit. For over-tightening, tighten bolts in small increments and alternate sides while watching for any sign of base flex. If you see flex, stop and add a thin neoprene shim under the base rather than forcing the bolts. For bolt pattern mismatch, either use a conversion flange that preserves the waste alignment without stressing the toilet, or consult a local plumber to fabricate a stainless steel adapter ring that seats evenly and maintains the proper sealing surface. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors who can handle non-standard toilet installations and other complex home jobs. Our site also helps contractors find work and join discussions in our community, where pros and homeowners exchange real-world tips on parts, kits, and installation techniques.